Wagwan, JY family. Big up on yourself, you know, man. Please, may I ask, you know, if you don't subscribe, make sure you subscribe. Like and share the things there, you see me? Now, this morning, we get up to one accident over there in Clarendon. Jesus. Boy, me I wonder say if the driver did a drive a bus or a they did a fly the bus. Me say the bus, so me I'll put it over there, so I don't go see it for myself. I want to see me not exaggerate, right? So I go put it on the screen and I go see for myself how the bus mash up the bus. Ox out the big long coaster bus, you know. 3 vehicle collision. 1 driver dead and them never get the update how much people right now are battlefield life. Foot fly, hand fly. What me say? No, sir. Listen to me. We are not perfect. We are far from being perfect when we're up on the road as driver. I am a driver too. Right now, me have to Uber it. You understand? Yeah? Me have to take Uber because my vehicle transmission mash up. You see me? So, me there I go and put in the work and you may never know what can go on before you know it, me up and running again. You see me? But when we're up on the road, man, we have to be careful, especially when you are driving with persons in your vehicle. Remember I said, once you have persons in your vehicle, you not drive for yourself alone, you know. Yeah? You have 2, 3, 4, 6 lives in your hand right now. Everybody in your vehicle, every single person in your vehicle, you responsible for them. Every single person in your vehicle. So we can't, especially when you operate a bus. Can you imagine the amount of life where you have when you operate a bus? It's not like a car. Eh? How where them man did I do so? Me say nobody can tell me say I don't fly this bus. I did a fly. Trust me. Why? My condolences goes out to the driver that was driving and his family. I want you guys to pray for the other passengers that was in the vehicle that is battling for their lives right now. I say lives. Let me say, Jaja, we are gonna reach, you know. We are gonna reach. If we're late, we are gonna reach. If we're early, we are gonna reach. It's like just yo, me see road, so me just a tech road. Me just a name up road. Jesus, man. Boy, me I tell you. So, what's a shape on the video for me, please? JY family. Remember, like, share, subscribe. You don't know anything, go. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys for the tremendous support. See them, I go up on the work. And me I put in the work same way. Me I make on know what I go and me I keep on update. Not true? Yes, man. Jamaica YouTube, more than a channel, it's a brand. I'm out.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there a yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass.